when there is systemic contradiction. My name symbolized all that was corrupt to society. His name symbolized all that was pure. And I was being held in the embrace of a man who was pure. And these inviolable sanctities were preserved in those 10 words. And it is the desacralization of all of these that has put us in the mess that we find ourselves. Isn't it true? The logic is much worse. A person may end up believing in anything. You know, if that human acceptance does so much for you and me, what love is this? It is God's love on you and says, welcome home.
His biggest power is probably deception, getting you to believe that he has control of certain areas of your life.